test me. So he weighs basically 68 grams. And lastly, the HEPA filter that's running in the background. Alright, and then we're...
Hey, what's up, family ties? What it do, baby? Hashtag 7thworktek, all up in the mix, man. What up? It's Tony here, man, live in the flesh. What's pretty cool is, man, I'm literally recording content live while I'm on YouTube. So come check us out anytime, ask us questions, pop in, say what's up. God bless you all for taking the time. Honestly, how could you support my content, my work, essentially, is what I like to refer to it as, because it's a sacrifice to me. I'm not doing this shit to blow up and for clouds. That's ridiculous. Come on now. Amen. To each their own, you know? But anyways, yeah, so today's video is an intro to this week's content, right? So this week's content is centered around what it means to be a medicine man. You know, more or less, that's to be a dead man walking. What the fuck does that mean? Well, look, we're put as medicine men. Our practice is to essentially administer medicine, right? Well, that's what the name implies. If that's what you follow, that's not a shaman. A shaman is a specialty within a specialty. All right, I'm trying to build up my profession within my rack of certifications, more or less within the mycology industry, and that's the beauty of it, bro. That's the beauty of it. So we're gonna just get right to it. So the intro to this week's concept is this video. God bless the dead. You know, God bless the dead before the off their heads. So, with that being said, to be a dead man walking is to be a medicine man. To be a medicine man is to be a dead man walking. To be a medicine man is to be a practitioner, right? To be a medicine man is to not only be a practitioner, but to be also a researcher. To be a medicine man is to be forced to tangle and think about this conflicting concept. You're gonna be put into a position where you're choosing between either profit or generosity. Mind you, it costs to help out someone. One of my mentors, one of my bosses, someone who I worked for months at like a farmer's market kind of spot, kind of vibe, kind of atmosphere. I learned a lot by him. He taught me this and really stuck with me. No good deed goes unpunished. No good deed goes unpunished. And I really mean that for real. Like seriously. You know, so yeah, so is it a good deed or are you trying to make profit? And look, it's okay. It's America. You know, this is what it is. There's no bullshit, no need to sugarcoat it. You know, look, I'm trying to make a living doing something that is genuine. I'm here to say that. That's why it's what it is. At the same time though, yes, I am so genuine when it comes to this, because look, this is how I also see it. It's very conflicting, right? If you know that someone desperately potentially needs this as medicine for them, right? Okay, they need it, right? Who the fuck am I to charge them for it? Who the fuck am I to do this for it? Who the fuck am I to look at a starving person and be like, all right, bro, that meal is $20. Mind you, also, $20 in California is a medium fucking standard, bro, of minimum wage, ideally. $20 an hour, right? So that being said, you want to be economical, unless it's a luxury product. Potato. Okay, so look though, what am I doing with 7thworktek? Well, this is a new concept that I'm launching as a result of getting targeted by whoever, whatever the means is. My Instagram got banned temporarily, so this is what it is, man. We're gonna just do this. I'm essentially creating my own platform through and through. It's going to be a broadcasting system that is essentially just a compiled viewing of all of my content all the time, 24/7. It's gonna be live every single day. That's the goal. So until then though, enjoy. Catch us. I appreciate the time. You know, I have about 3 more minutes left on this concept for the first video. I'm gonna be uploading about 6 to 7 videos in regards to this concept. The first video is this intro. I'm gonna upload a second one today, and the final video at the end of the week is gonna be a recap plus all the content into one, and then that's gonna get repackaged as its own video. Why? When I have my broadcasting system, that's something to be thrown into the mix. That's the beauty of it. So, to be a medicine man, it's so conflicting because I was put in a position where I was, damn, do I really want to prevent this guy from not getting his medicine potentially because he can't afford it right now? But I know this could change his life, and when it changes his life, he could pay it forward. Not even pay me, but pay it forward. God bless the next person, you feel me? And that's what it is, man. That's what it is. I'm put in this position where I was healed from magic. I was healed from mushrooms. And now I'm in a position to where I have to deem who is worthy and who's not of receiving that same healing. Bullshit. And that's what I mean. To be a medicine man is to be a dead man walking. It's to be a practitioner first, a researcher second, and a capitalist third. Because at a certain point in time, there's going to be a very conflicting points of views. Do you either act out of generosity or out of capitalization? Profit over helping, health, whatever it is. Health is wealth, right? That's the dilemma. And these pharmaceutical companies have a lot of hate and animosity being built and animosity being built up towards them because they're for profit first. But guess what? They profit off of keeping you sick versus other people that are trying to profit off of keeping you healthy. That's the fucking difference. That's the fucking difference. And so yeah, this whole week I'm gonna just structure content around this, around what it means to be oh my god, I am so in the gutter now. I gotta go work out, man, burn some energy. I'm just so stressed out. Yeah, so that's the whole point of this week's theme. What does it mean to be a medicine man? Hey, what's up, brother? Hey, what you doing, brother? Oh man, let me end this real quick.